Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I explain to you how to turn off or stop automatic updates for Windows 11. Although updating Windows is very important, but you, as a user, may want to turn off automatic updates, and later want to update Windows 11 manually. In any case, I will explain to you how to stop automatic updates, and you can update your system manually later. When you open Settings, and go to Windows Updates, you will find Windows 11 always searches for the latest updates. Perhaps your internet is slow, or you are going to shut down the computer quickly and want to update it another time. In this case, you are forced to stop the update. And to stop the automatic updates for Windows 11, I will use the group policy. And the first step is to open the Run box and type gpedit.msc, then click on the OK button. This command will open the local group policy editor. Then, go to the path shown in front of you on the screen. After reaching the path shown in front of you, double-click on the Configure Automatic Updates policy. And this policy is responsible for disabling the automatic update. If you select the disabled option, it will permanently turn off automatic updates on Windows 11, and Windows 11 will no longer download and install updates automatically. And if you select Enable option, you will find several options, including you can set Windows 11 to notify you about updates and not turn off automatic updates completely. To do this, change the policy to Enabled and select the appropriate option for you. Now select the appropriate option for you. I think the best thing is to disable the automatic update. After that, you can close the policy, and also close the local group policy editor. From now on, Windows 11 will no longer automatically download and install updates. And you'll need to update Windows 11 manually when you want to. I hope the video is useful to you. And thank you for watching. And I also hope to subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.